Um, this video is about the two different types of inner inner ghost number, like 18 to 45, 27 to 36, 27 to 36, and 27 to 36. These are about the vectors created from these inner ghost numbers, but it's also about the numerologically reduced inner ghost numbers, like 18 would be 9, 27 would be 9. In fact, all these would be 9. 27 would be 9. 36 would be 9. If you can see that 36 there. 45 would be 9. So that creates a box for the 369 numbers. And for the vectors, that should have been written in green as 3 down, 3 down, 3, and 1 up. I call them vectors because they have direction. The vectors do. 18 is smaller than 45. 27 is smaller than 36, so it's going in this direction. 27 is smaller than 36. And 27 over here is smaller than, where's 27? 27 over here is smaller than 36. And they create the outer ghost numbers. So you have the central ghost number created from the primary numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 around the cube. You added it together in addition form would be 21. The outer ghost number is 63. They get that way in this diagonal because 18 and 45 added together on both sides is 63 down here, 63 up here, 63 back there, 63, 63 down here, because 27 and 36 and all these other three are added up together to be 63. Okay, so now I just showed you the two different basic types of vectors, the two different basic types of structures in here. The vectors and the numerologically reduced, which makes this a box because they're all nines. It's a box of 369 multiples. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. And what I want to do here is show this, what I've been studying about them. I overlaid the vectors, which is, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I laid them out. The vectors are in green. 18. This is the same one as above. Same one, except I have it written down on paper. And it's three vectors down, 1 vector up. These 3 vectors are down, and the 1 vector 27 going to 36 is up. This 27 going to 36 is down. 27 going to 36 is down, and 18 going to 45 is down. And I'll put a list in the description of all the different types of vectors and all the different types of 369 shapes. Like this is a box because it's numerologically reduced to 9 at every corner, so it's a box. Now this is a vector, 4 vectors to the right. That's 4 going to the right, 21 over here, and 42, 30 down here, and 33, 18 up here, and 45, and 9 right here. Well, 4 vectors to the right, 9 and 9. Now that's supposed to be a scalar, I believe. No, okay, we're talking about vectors. It's 27 and low and 36 high. but this creates intersecting sheets, and it's from the top here down. This sheet right here, 9999, creates this green or this brown sheet, outlined in brown. And the 3's down here and the 6's up here creates this sheet. They intersect along this axis, and that's for the 369 numbers shapes. And this is another box again with the 3 vectors up and 1 vector down. You can look at this and study for yourself. These are the 2 scalars. Now, 2 scalars are scalars numbers that are the same on both sides. Like right here is 18 up here and 18 down here for the interghost numbers, 18 down here and 18 up here for the interghost numbers. And then, so there's 2 scalars and 2 vectors up, 12 down here and 24 up here, and 12 down here and 24 up here. So 2 scalars, ones that don't have direction for the vectors, and 2 vectors up. And again, it's an intersecting sheet, and the axis is again along this axis for the 369 shapes. I'll go through this a little bit faster. These are just studies I've done on overlaying these different types of vectors and 369 numbers, vectors and 369 shapes. This is 4 vectors to the left, and 3 and 0. This is a special type of vector, or a special type of 369 shape, because it's the lowest you can get with addition, besides 0, with addition and a 1, and the rest 0 for the primary numbers. You get 3 on this side and 0 on this side. So it's vertical parallel sheets, and the vectors are 3 and 0, so it goes in this direction to the left. That's the only time you'll find that. Then this is all 4 scalars, 1s on both sides for the primary numbers, and this is a multiplication. That's the only time I show this in here. Or this is another multiplication, all 0s. Or 0, this is the opposite of this, 0, and the rest is 1. Or right here in addition, 1, and the rest is 0. And so it's all scalars again, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Same number. And this is all scalars box for the 369 shape. This is an intersection of sheets, and this is the scalars, 2 scalars, 4 vectors down, two vectors down. If you can look at that, pause it. Here's 3 vectors up, 1 vector down. I wrote that 2 times. It's a box shape for the 369 shapes. And this is a slanted parallel triangular sheets with a diagonal of another number going through it. You got the 3's up here and the 6's right here, and you got 9 going through them. Slanted parallel triangles. And these are this is intersecting sheets